Hey everyone, Monkey Ranger Mike. We are back at Copart here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, looking at all kinds of cars and trucks and major disasters and minor dents and scratches. A little bit of everything here for you. I'm just going to kind of wander around and see what I see this time. Usually I try to have a theme, you know, whether it's cars for kids or trucks. This is actually Truck Town, the part that I'm in right here, because there's all kinds of trucks. There's also the Power Row with all of the Dodge powerful cars. That's a Saab right there. Oh, that's a gorgeous Saab. Maybe I'll walk up there and see that one. This video though is going to be different. We're just going to wander around and see what is going on. This guy liked to barbecue. Look at this. He's got a huge RV, got a barbecue grill, a washer dryer, and a wine cooler right there in the back. He had big parties. You can just tell by looking at that. All right, let's just wander around and see what we find. This is not something I'm interested in, but it's something I want to show you, okay? When you buy a car, you're always more than welcome to personalize it, and I think that's kind of cool when people do. This car is showing lots of love. There are hearts cut out everywhere, okay? So they tried to wrap it. It's a half wrap job, but look at this. They've added hearts every direction, which is cool. They're spreading the love, and they messed up on the wrap right here, so they just added another piece of wrap. That's okay. This old Audi was showing everyone love is in the air. That's cool. This is something else I'm not interested in, but this one just got parted right down the middle. Look at that. It's not like she bumped into something. Maybe she backed into something and it just fell right on top of her. Or maybe this is like a tornado damage or something. Look at that. Yeah. Here and then all the way across. Oh my goodness. Could you imagine? What do you tell your insurance person? Is this car even worth saving? I don't know. What do you think about the two-door Mercedes? Okay, this is a 2014 Mercedes C350. So by then, I think they fixed the balance shaft issue in the engine, so you don't have to worry about that. This one, I don't think has ever been waxed, but she took it in the, well, you know where she took it, right there, in the back. That's a good sized little dent right there, and it's preventing this from closing. So that could be an issue. You will need a trunk, a good pull right here, a tail light, and a rear bumper. But I think I opened the door and there was power. So let's just kind of see what these look like, because I actually won the auction on another one of these that just needed the rear glass. But they decided not to sell it for, how much was it? I won it for $350. Oh my. Here we go. Typical Mercedes. Very thin material on the seats. This says it's 104 degrees out here. This, well, she runs. We have an oil change sticker, 152 right here. Blind spots service inactive. Currently unavailable. All that stuff doesn't work. Check daytime running light, washer fluid. 156,000 miles, so you're due for an oil change right there. Are we going to have some air conditioning? Max cool. Let's see what's going to happen here. I don't feel max cooling happening at all. I just don't know about these right here. It just doesn't have the Mercedes feel to me. They don't drive like Mercedes should, but it's the newer one, so debate. Let's debate. Let's open the can of worms. See what. Okay, we had a phone problem again. Anyway, let me show you. This car does run and drive. Lots of problems in the back. In the front though, she does. She sounds good, okay? Once again, we have a horrible seat right there. Even the passenger seat is all beat up, okay? This is the engine. This is where the phone died just a second ago. Here we go. Still running smoothly. Charging point right there. Radiator fluid right there. Washer fluid here. Got a V6 with a complete engine cover right there. This needs to get fixed. There we go. It looks okay. Doesn't sound like a Mercedes to me, but you know, it is what it is. This should go for relatively small amounts of money. Yeah, let's take a look at the back. It's a cool looking seat. I mean, it really is. This is really gross right in through here. There's not a lot of room back there. This does let a lot of heat in. I will tell you that from personal experience, and we still have not cooled down on the air conditioning, okay? Once again, 156,000 miles, no Bluetooth. The window hopefully will work. They do. Okay, so here you go. There's your Mercedes. Now let me take you to my little rescue vehicle, okay? I found a Honda that had a really cold air conditioner. It's a minivan, so don't hate. And if I could, I would make this stay, but I can't. They had it zip tied to keep it closed, but now the zip tie doesn't work anymore. This is my escape vehicle. Yeah, 2015 Honda Odyssey. These things, do I need a minivan in my life? Well, if I want cold air, absolutely. Look at this thing. She runs perfectly. 15% of your oil life is left, so we will need to get the oil changed. We have, woo, how many miles? I thought I just saw it. Outside, this said it's 109 degrees outside. Yeah, 109. Let's see if it goes into gear. Of course it is. There's your rearview mirror. Something pink is behind us. I didn't think about that. There we go. She goes into drive. Everything is fine here. I don't know how to get this to change. There's your cruise. Off and on. Oh, this is how you can change your sources right there. That's kind of cool, pushing on the end of the stock. I want to say it had 160,000 miles. So that's just what we're going to go with, because I don't see anywhere on here to change it. This right here is lovely. I really, really like it. Oh, you got a DVD, rear DVD, auxiliary. You got all kinds of little ports right here for the kids to charge their tablets and everything. 109 degrees outside. Maybe that's my clue that I should not be doing this in August in Oklahoma. Wow. Yeah, that's really hot. That is really hot. Let me show you the engine and the back. Hopefully the phone will not overheat. Here's your hood release right here on the side. There you go. Automated doors, fantastic. This is a well-kept vehicle, I'll tell you that. I don't know why it's here. But on the inside, yeah, she looks great. Even this part of the air conditioning is cold. Enjoy that, phone. Soak it up. Okay, here we go. We're going to close that. That's nice. Oh, she has great Firestone tires with a lot of tread. Wow. Okay, that's good. No damage, no damage, no damage. There's a little bit of damage right there, just a ding. Why are you here? You're in great shape. This is perfect. There we go. Tried and true Honda 3.5 VTEC, as steady as can be. Yeah, there is no problem at all. Okay, so maybe your battery terminal is a little corroded and a little worn right there. That's an issue. But this is fine. Maybe I do need an SUV. Yeah, 2015 Honda Odyssey, lost type unknown. I can't find any. I think she's great. She's perfect, like Barney said. She's perfect in everything she does. Okay, we're gonna enjoy this and we're gonna find one more vehicle before Mike overheats and the phone overheats. Finally, a member of the Saab family. Now that I am a Saab owner, I've always wanted one of these. I like how they come in strange colors. This one is not a strange color. Just white over tan with a really bad interior. Damage on the front bumper you can see right there. This is a 2008 Saab 393 Aero, okay, with lots of damage. I like it. I like the blue color. There's like this really wild green color. This one comes to us from Arkansas. This one I think has had a very hard life. I really do. This one, whoa. She is, yeah, she was well used and rarely loved. So we've got some duct tape on the front right there holding that together. We have damage on the hood, the bumper, the headlight. That's why she's here. Anyway, let's kind of open this up just very, very quickly and show you. There's a dent even right there. I don't know if you can see it, but there is. I'll put my bag down right here. My Coca-Cola. We'll just open this up very quickly and I'll just show you what she's, oh, we can't. This doesn't even work. Here we go. That's why the window's down, so you can get inside. She was nice back in the day, but look at this. Yeah, that's a hot mess. I do like the Saabs. I've had a couple of the newer ones, and they're nice. I like the styling of them. I love that the fact that the key is right there. I think that's hilarious. And this is a convertible, but this I don't think is really something that I would be interested in. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen if we can sit here. 9234 for the trip odometer, 150,000 miles. 150,000 miles. This is a good looking little steering wheel though. It really is. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen, okay? She sounds good. Refill fuel now. Okay, that's all right. We have the door. We have the gas gauge. We need gas, put our seatbelt on, tire pressure, headlights. We do have some issues. Air conditioning is cold. That's nice. Turn this on. This has seen way better days. But it works. Okay, we have night panel, which is really cool. You push this, and I think only your speedometer shows. I think, if I remember right, all the other lights go out, which is really, really cool. Okay, I don't have much time because the phone is about to die. I don't have a whole lot of battery left, but here you go. A 2008 Saab 9.3 Aero with sporty seats. That would take a lot to get back on the road, I think, just to make it look decent. Yeah, okay. And there you go, folks. Once again, 3 vehicles. You need to let me know what you like and what you don't like. This Saab, I think they just got it, so it was just parked here. I think it looks good. No, it doesn't. It doesn't look good at all. It's a hot mess. But there are so many other vehicles out here for you to check out. We have the Power Row, which is right up there. We have some Jeeps here you can take a look at. A little bit of everything here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, believe it or not. Although I have not found a Ferrari yet. Found everything else. Even Porsches, Teslas. Haven't seen a Rolls. That would be amazing if we could find a Rolls or a Ferrari. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. And a big thanks to everybody here at Copart for letting me come out and do this. One of the forklift drivers actually came out and asked if I needed to have some water. He said he'd go get me a water if I needed it. Friendliest people in the world right here. All right. Thanks for watching. We're back with another one very, very soon. Goodbye.